Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to download and install WazirX application on your Android phone. So let's get started without wasting much of our time. First of all, to begin downloading WazirX on your Android, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, open your Google Play Store. Go to the search box at the top and type in WazirX and search. Look for this application and then tap on the install button to begin downloading the app on your device. WazirX is a popular Indian cryptocurrency exchange platform. It allows users to buy, sell, and trade various cryptocurrencies. It is known for its user-friendly interface and wide range of supported cryptocurrencies. Once the application is installed, tap on the Open button, and that's how you can easily download and install WazirX on your Android phone.